Welcome to the PC Error Detective YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll walk you through the steps on how to check antivirus software on Windows 10, step by step. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tips. Step 1. First, start by right-clicking on the Start menu at the bottom left corner of your screen. Step 2. Next, from the list that appears, click on the Settings option. Step 3. Now, within the Settings window, select Update and Security to access your security options. Step 4. In the Update and Security menu, click on Windows Security on the left side and then choose Virus and Threat Protection. Step 5. To verify the antivirus software, on the Who's Protecting Me section, click on Manage Providers. Step 6. Under Security Providers, this will display all the active security providers on your system. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more updates.